Hello everybody and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a short one, but it's an exciting one. So I'm here to do the winner's drawing of the Final Days of Summer collab that I was doing with Natalie from LineDotArrow. Between the two of us, we created this kit called the Final Days of Summer. My half has 32 pages, 16 colour, 16 in sepia, which if you're not familiar with sepia, it's these kind of brown tones. So this is the same page in colour, just so you can kind of see the difference between the two. But lots of people have been using the sepia and absolutely loving it. And it's the first time I've done a sepia style kit, so I've thoroughly enjoyed using it as well. Natalie has the other half of the kit. Hers is the same, so she's got 32 pages, 16 in colour, 16 in sepia. We also had tons of freebies available as well to go along with the different challenges. So throughout September there were 3 challenges. The first challenge was to make this little ephemera suitcase. So this was a freebie that you can find either in the Facebook group LineDotArrow, and it just has all different bits and pieces inside. So lots of pockets where you can tuck tags and all sorts of different pieces of ephemera. There are loads of ways that you can change up these suitcases. If you go to the LineDotArrow Facebook group, you will see everybody's kind of take on this creation, and they're absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for some inspiration, hop over to the LineDotArrow Facebook group and you will see lots and lots of inspiration on how different ways that you can create this. So that was week 1. Then week 2, it was to create a mini album. So these are the 2 that I made. This one I made on camera and then this one I did afterwards. So I had a landscape one. But it's just a kind of mini photo album / travel booklet. Natalie designed the base pages and some of the ephemera, and then I also added to the ephemera as well. So this is the one that I made on camera. So I've got pockets with, again, different pieces of ephemera. I've got flip out envelopes in there as well, and I did a tab binding as well, which I really liked, and I did the same for this one. So that was week 2. And then week 3, it was to create some kind of over the page envelope flip. So for that one, I did this one on camera. So this is a printable from my half of the kit, but I've done it as an accordion fold. So I've also recycled an envelope, but this obviously folds out both ways. And again, I've got all sorts of ephemera tucked in those. So those were the 3 challenges. And if you posted in the LineDotArrow Facebook group using the hashtag Final Days of Summer, then you are entered into the winner's drawing, which I'm about to do. So I have collected all of the names. Just to say that there will be another drawing as well. So Natalie is also drawing names from the LineDotArrow Facebook group. There will be 3 winners. So I will choose 3 and Natalie will choose 3. If your name comes up in this drawing, then you need to message me. You can either do that via Facebook, or I will put my email address down below in the description. You can email me, and the prize is a choice of any kit from my shop. As I said, Natalie will also be doing a drawing. She will also pick 3 winners and they will have a choice of a kit from her shop. And if that wasn't enough, if you also took part in these challenges in the other 2 Facebook groups that we're hosting, so Sweet Pea Papers and Haystack's Crafty Corner, they are also doing drawings where there's even more prizes to be won. So if you posted across all of the Facebook groups, you have a higher chance of winning. Right, as I said, I only chose names from the LineDotArrow Facebook group. Natalie will be doing her drawing as well. So let's see who gets to win and pick a kit from my shop. So again, I've got all of the names in here already. I've already shuffled them. So I'm just going to tap the button. Hopefully I've got my iPad angled enough that you can see the screen, but I didn't want it flat down because otherwise then you've got the glare of the lights. So hopefully you can still see that at the corner of the screen. Mel Cogburn, so you are my first winner. I'm going to very quickly write down your name, Mel. So my first winner is Mel. So if you can, oh, my pen's not working. So if you can message me, Mel, and tell me which kit you would like from my shop, and then I will forward that to you. I do have a new kit coming out, so it's up to everyone if they want to wait and see what that is like, but that will be released on the same day actually that this video goes out, so have a little look for that. Right, I'm going to remove Mel and spin again. Okay, Stephanie. So Stephanie, again, if you can contact me, please, and let me know which kit you would like for free from my shop. And the last person, are you ready? Kim. So Kim, if you can again contact me and let me know which kit you would like. Okay, so those are my 3 winners. So I've got Mel, Stephanie and Kim. If you contact me either by Facebook or by the email address that will be down in the description. I do want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has supported either by buying the kit or by using the freebies, taking part in the challenges, posting your pictures. It's so inspirational. As I said, if you are looking for any ideas on how to alter and play around with each of these challenges, then head over to the different Facebook groups, LineDotArrow, Haystack Crafty Corner, Sweet Pea Papers, because the posts I've seen are incredible. And considering everybody's using the same types of papers and the same freebies often, the creations are just so different, and it is amazing to see. So thank you everyone that has been taking part and posting in each of the groups. I also want to say a massive thank you to the design team. They have done the most incredible job working with the kits. Again, if you're looking for some inspiration on how to use them, especially if you haven't perhaps used sepia before, many people have either made 2 journals, one full of colour, one full of sepia, or they've done a mix and match of both. So if you want some inspiration, again, go and check out those Facebook groups. There are lots of amazing projects using the kits in those groups. And lastly, a massive thank you to Nathalie. It has been an absolute pleasure working with you again. Those of you that know Nathalie from LineDotArrow, her designs are absolutely stunning. So the fact that I get to work with her and create a kit with her is such an honour. So thank you very much, Nathalie, and I look forward to the next project with you. Well, that's everything from me today. Thank you, and congratulations again to the winners. I'm now looking forward to October's kit and challenges, and I'll see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.